This is Willie. Willie's chickens. When we let them out into the big cage, they love it. They fly up in the air. See them flying? Look at that. They love it out here. Look at that neck and neck. That big, long neck and neck.
It's also called a turkin.
It's called a turkin. They're little kids. They're all excited to get out here. They fly up in the air. They love it. But at nighttime we have to have them up in the garage because we got raccoons, possums, coyotes, skunks out here. So they've got to be penned up in the garage at night. But when they come out here, this is heaven.